Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to add keyboards to your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to go to Settings, we're going to go down to General, and then go to Keyboard. And then from here at the top, you can add keyboards by hitting Add New Keyboard, and you can add different languages. You can also add things like Grammarly, which is what I've added. And then when you go to your keyboard and you hold on the bottom left on this world symbol, you can choose between all of your different keyboards. So if I go to Grammarly and I want something to be spell checked for grammar and things like that as I'm writing, I can change it to my Grammarly keyboard. You can also switch it to the emoji keyboard from here, or back to the standard keyboard. You can also set it to be right-handed or left-handed, so that if you're typing just with your right hand, you can reach all of the letters just with that hand. And that's it. That is how you add new keyboards to your iPhone 13 Pro.